Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize images in GIMP. So let's get started. Let's start by opening GIMP on your computer. Then go to the File menu and select Open to load the image you want to resize into GIMP. Next, navigate to the Image menu and select a scale image. This will open a dialog box where you can adjust the image's dimensions. In the scale image dialog box, you will see fields for width and height. You can adjust either the width or height while maintaining the image's aspect ratio by clicking the chain icon between them. After entering the desired width or height, click the Scale button. GIMP will resize the image according to the dimensions you have specified. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.